Hello and welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. So, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has recently made an announcement regarding CA Foundation and registration to the CA Foundation course after passing your standard 10th exam. So, there was a lot of confusion as to who this notification is applicable to. Through this video, let us understand this same notification. Now, the question is, can you register for CA Foundation course after passing your class 10th exam? And this question is applicable for two sets of students. Students who are currently in the 11th standard and students who are currently in the 12th standard. So let us first understand for standard 11th student how this works. Now, if you are in the 11th standard, yes, you can register for the CA Foundation course right away, and your registration will be provisional, which means your registration will become final, will become regularized only after you pass your 12th exam. Now, how this scheme will work? You are in standard 11 in the academic year 2020-21, which means next year you will be in standard 12, that is in the academic year 21-22. Then you will appear for your standard 12th exam in the month of March or April in the year 2022. Therefore, your exam for CA Foundation, you will be eligible to appear in the May or June attempt of 2022. So when is the last date of registration? The last date of registration is 1st January 2022. So basically, your registration date, the last date to register, will be in the same year as your CA Foundation exam. That is about 4 or 5 months prior to your CA Foundation exam. That is, if it is in May or June of 2022, then the last date of registration is 1st January 2022. So can you apply today? The answer is yes. You can visit the institute's website and get yourself registered for the CA Foundation course today itself. Then the next set of students is the students of standard 12th. Presently, you are in standard 12th. Are you also eligible to register for the CA Foundation course? And the answer is yes. You can register for the CA Foundation course provisionally. Then for you students, how will this scheme work? You are currently in standard 12 in the academic year 2020-21, which means your exam of standard 12th will be somewhere in the month of March or April of 2021, and your attempt for CA Foundation course will be in the same year, and that is in May or June 2021. So for you students, when is the last date of registration? It is 1st January of 2021. That is the last date to register for the CA Foundation course. Which means, can you register today? Yes, definitely you can go and register yourself for the CA Foundation course. So hopefully in this short video you have understood how the registration works and for which students it is applicable. It is applicable for both 11th and 12th standard students. Last date of registration has been mentioned here. In case you have any doubts, you can definitely call us on any of the two numbers appearing on your screen, and we will help you throughout this registration process. Thank you.